For our project, we decided to make the Guess the Number game with our board. And for this, there are two players. One is the game, the number maker, and the other one is the number guesser. And here are what each of our major components mean. For this, the push buttons, the first one would reset the game. This button is used for submitting a guess. The green LED lights show that if you're right or not. The first four represents the four parts of the hex display. If all lights up green, it means that the numbers are correct and in the right spot. If these light up, it means that the number is correct but in the wrong spot. The switches control, the first four switches control what number is inputted into the hex display in binary. So this would represent 1, 2, 4, 8, and you can create numbers from 0 to 9, which will display in here. The next four switches represent which spot the number will be for. This represents the first spot, the second switch represents the second spot, and so forth. And for the eighth, technically the seventh switch, this represents if it is on, you are the number maker. If it is off, you are the number guesser. The red LED lights represent if you made a wrong guess. For every time you make a wrong guess, it will light up red each one. The number guesser gets 11 chances to guess the right number before it fails. We will choose the number 8423 to represent the four different hex digits, and for the first case we will make it all wrong to show you that after the 11th try you will fail and what it will show on the hex display once you fail. At the beginning you want to reset the game, then you want to flip up this switch to show that you are the maker, then you will make the number 8423, then you want to submit your guess. After that you want to clear all the board and turn this down so now you are the guesser. Next you will guess any number, 21 for example, and submit your guess. This shows that you guessed it wrong and it was your first guess. Secondly, you will guess any next number. Let's see, 8 for example. You will send your guess. That shows that this was your second attempt and it was wrong. Next, you will do a different number. And to turn it off, you simply have to switch it up and down. You submit this one. That is your third attempt, and it was also wrong. Next, you will clear out the number. And you're approaching your last guess. And this shows fail because you have not attempted the guess right within the 7 chances. Case, we will do the same number, 8423, but this time we will guess it right the first time to show you what it looks like. So you have to flip this up to be the number maker. Then you make 8, 4, 2, 3, submit, do that clear it all, and turn this down to be the guesser. Then the guesser will guess 8, 4, 2, 3, submit. And this says yay, and all these lights up because it is the right guess. Again, you want to reset the game, flip all of the switches down. For this one, we will show you a loophole that went through the code. It is an exception to the game. So again, we will use the same number, flip this up to be the maker, 8, 4, 3, 2, 3. Submit. This time, we will just guess the last digits and show you that it actually works as a guess. So you'll make 3, submit, and this says it's correct. It wasn't something that was originally intended, but it worked anyway, so it could be incorporated into the game and make it more unique.